Alright, so today we're gonna try the Aldi brisket. We've made brisket before from scratch, but I saw the beef brisket. It's salt and pepper rubbed, and we're just gonna try it. We're gonna see what happens. It's small. It makes sense if you don't want to commit to buying an entire brisket, but check it out. So here it is, salt and pepper rubbed. It's just us, right? So it's a good size. I didn't want to commit to buying an entire brisket. On the past, when we've made our own brisket and seasoned it from scratch, we can get creative depending on whether we're smoking it or roasting it. I'm not doing anything to this. We're going to evaluate this as is. We'll smoke it, we'll treat it right, and we'll see how it ends up. So here we go. So I don't have a typical smoker. I use just a propane grill, but I've got a pipe that I put smoke pellets in. It works great. Now, key, if you're doing something like that, and even if you have an actual smoker, you want moisture in there. It's just, I think it's just better, I think. So I've got here's a roasting pan with a roasting rack, and I use this for everything. Ribs, smoked turkey, pulled pork, if I'm smoking chicken, whatever I'm smoking, it's here. I fill it in with just a little bit of water. So then it does two things. Fat is gonna drip into the pan instead of into the grill. Also, it kind of acts like as another shield, right? So you're not gonna be exposing it to direct flame. I know the grills have the little deflector plates and stuff, but it's just like yet another layer. So it's more indirect cooking, which is what we want. And then the moisture in there just helps keep everything staying moist. For a makeshift smoker, this works really well, especially for smaller proteins. Smoker pipe that I was telling you about. That's it. Just let it do its thing. Boom. Behold, look at that. It's looking great. So I'm gonna wrap it for a little bit. And we should be rolling. Oh yeah. Here it is. It was wrapped, pulled it out. It's got a nice bark. All that's left is to cut it. It's so cute. So I forgot to do a recap right before eating. We just dug right in. We were so hungry. It was delicious. It was so small though. It was so cute, but it was perfect for who we had, right? It was 3 adults and 1 3-year-old, and that was absolutely perfect. We had sandwiches, so it was brisket sandwiches. We had baked beans, corn on the cob, and watermelon. So if you're similar family size and you had sides, perfect amount. Obviously, if you had a larger gathering or you're just having brisket, no sides, or maybe just one side, you might want to double up on it or just get a standard size brisket. Flavor, it was delicious. The salt and pepper amount of seasoning was spot on. It wasn't too salty, wasn't too peppery. It was great, but it was just salt and pepper. I'm not going to fault it for that. Overall, I'd probably say 8 out of 10 seasoning, but for being just salt and pepper, 10 out of 10. The ratio was perfect. Would I do anything differently? Yeah, I love a little bit more depth of flavor. When I'm smoking foods, garlic powder is a must. Maybe throw in some espresso grounds or coffee grounds on it to turn into a coffee espresso type of rub. That'd be delicious. But in the past, I've also experimented with adding some ginger powder or some cumin or cayenne into different barbecue blends or seasoning blends I've done. So I'd probably do something like that. But it was absolutely delicious. Whatever company that they used to trim the brisket did an incredible job. They didn't take away too much of the fat, so you still had that in there. Even on the leaner side, I still had that nice little strip of fat that gives it so much flavor. And then on the fattier side, it wasn't overwhelming. We didn't end up wasting or having to throw away any excess fat. It was all just, it was good. It rendered well, created a nice bark. So it was delicious. It was a hit. I'd absolutely buy it again. Yeah, I think that kind of covers it. Oh, cooking time. Because it was so small, it cooked so fast. I think I only had it on the smoker maybe, 5 hours, maybe 6. And that last hour is when I wrapped it. Yeah, so way quicker than if you were smoking a big 11-pound, 13-pound brisket. So that was nice. So yeah. It was great. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for what do we do with brisket leftovers. I've got an incredible idea that I really want to try out, and I can't wait to show you all that. So thanks for watching.